First fish. Oh, don't let them get you in those weeds. So go that way. You want the net, buddy?
I got the
He's in the boat. All right, first fish. Put a smile or something. He's on, baby. Oh yeah, that's a decent.
Oh, okay, I got that.
That's a decent jack. This way, just one more time. There we go. I'm gonna put him down right here. There we go. You got them.
Pliers?
Nice. Yeah, baby. Nice. Yeah.
Here's your jacket.
Yeah, go ahead, get yours, get yours. It's about to come fast. Yeah, it's coming down now, baby.
What I call real fishing.
Whoa. Yeah, I don't even have a bait in the water. Okay. That's one way to clean your reels off.
Isn't that what First Cub says? And then it was the big fat rain started
A
coming.
big old fat ray.
A fat rain drop.
Yeah, there's a rainbow at the end of the rod tip. That's where the fish are. So they may still be here. There we go, fish on.
There you go. Pretty good.
Or I got the bottom. Nope, it's a fish.
Well, that's hang the bottom. Look up out moving. Look at the hank a lot.
There we go. This is definitely a fish on a tiny little jig head. Oh, it's a sheep's head. Get that in the boat.
Nice
Whoa!
That was.
Yeah! Wow, dude, that is definitely a keeper. Going in the box.
Definitely a keeper.
Yeah, found
Let's
it.
do that, buddy.
Dude, you gotta like these sheep's head, man. In the rain. Boom. Yeah. Let's get a measurement.
And here comes the sun.
Yeah, I don't want them to ruin your seats. Man, look at this barotrauma going on there. There you go. Wow, 17 inch. Okay, that is definitely keeping. These guys got to be 12 inches, but it's definitely keeping. All right.
Well, you just bounced it off the bottom?
Yeah. That's 1-0, Bob. Just he's got this belly thing going on. Dang. All right. Got a good rainbow going on too. This is my first sheep set on this rod, made by Bob. Bob made this rod. You want a rod, Bob? He'll build you a rod.
I'll do that.
In the description below, I'll leave his information. That was not the species we were going for, but we will take it. I felt that. It was very, very subtle thump. I mean, this is very, very lightweight stuff I got going here. It is 20-pound test, I think. Our target species is mangrove. Here we go. Oh, I'm on too. Oh, I'm off. Bob's still on. Man, we about doubled up just there. I don't know. We'll get this net for you. Bob's on. Oh, snook!
No.
Get him here. Get him here. Snook!
Yeah!
Bob!
Yeah!
Bob!
I can't believe that.
Bob!
That was like, oh boy.
Bob got a snook, man! Yeah!
And some people don't like to go fishing.
Woo! Yeah, pull your line out.
Okay.
There you go. Get them out of the net. Yeah, these guys got to be 28 inches to keep. They're actually not in season right now, but wow. All right, well, they're chewing right after the rain. So I just got hit too. I thought we were about to what if we doubled up on snook?
That would be like super.
Look at that, baby. Yeah.
Let's see what he goes for.
That's a light jig head too. You're using an 1/8 ounce jig head. Can't see, your head's in the way. Let's see.
21.
21 and a half.
Excellent. Let me get him back in the water.
21 and a half inch snook. Hold him by the belly. There you go.
Hurt him. Get him to do that.
Very nice. Gotta release the. He's ready.
Okay, come on.
There you
There
go.
he goes.
Woohoo!
Man, I hadn't caught a snook in a while.
Dude, that was sweet.
Sweet deal. Overhead.
Good job with the snook, brother.
I know.
All right.
1 to 1.
1 to 1. And we still haven't got our target species. Let's go. I'm at Rattlesnake Island. There are so many bugs. There's a dock light here. I'm just trying to hit this dock light real quick, but my goal is to go to the very end. We're going all the way down. We're gonna be using top water lure. Right now I'm just using my Kiss My Fish, and it's the peanut shape. It's got rattles and stuff, but I'm just skimming it across the surface here. I'm getting blown up on. I haven't caught anything yet, but let's keep going. All right, let's make a move to the end. There's a tarpon in here, right here. I am not rigged up for a tarpon, of course. It's in here just tearing up baits, this tarpon. Wow. These tarpon keep jumping out of the water. Whoa! Look at them. Wow. That's cool. They're just killing baits over here. Right here. There's massive schools of mullet. They're just getting crushed right in front of me. Just crushed by these tarpon. They got nowhere else to go. The food of choice is definitely mullet. There are thousands of mullet in here. Whoa. Woo! Woo! Right there. Right there. Golly. This is crazy. It's been a heck of a tarpon run, man. These things are right here, right here. Come on. There's too much bait. There's just too much bait for them to choose from. There's like no way they're going for my lure. It's crazy to see though. It's very crazy to see. And the bugs are just insane. I just cannot. This was crazy. All right, I'm walking to the point. I want to at least have a shot at some kind of fish. There's got to be like maybe 15, 20 tarpon in here just blowing up like crazy. Yeah, chasing bait all over. There it goes. They're all like 4 to 5 foot tarpon. Man, it's so hard to leave here. All right, I gotta leave. I gotta hit the point. Maybe I can get on a trout or a redfish. These tarpon are just spooking everything out of here. This is amazing to see. Gotta go though. We gotta go. We gotta be careful on these rocks. Oh. Gonna head down to the point. See if we can fish this cove in here and maybe hook up on a redfish. The one day I don't come geared up for tarpon. I should have known. I mean, I've got tarpon stuff in my truck, but it's so far away. I want to get on this early morning bite. Maybe I'll come back. I don't know. That's fishing, man. You got to have everything with you. If you don't have everything with you, you just got to use what you got. My instincts tell me that there's just too much bait for them to go after this little topwater lure. They're hitting these like fingerling, big old mullet. I need a bigger lure. But anyway, we're gonna go to this point and we're just gonna try to shoot. We're shooting for trout and possibly some redfish on this topwater lure, and hopefully see some more tarpon blow-ups, because those are just fun to watch. I bring this rod holder with a long metal end to it so that I could stick it in these rocks. So if I need to put my rod down, I can. Yeah, there's stuff blowing up right here. You know, just kind of like makeshift like that, so just in case I need to put my rod down. Oh, something was chasing it. Come on, take it. Damn, that kind of looked like a snook. That would be sweet. Oh, there's stuff chasing bait. Yes. Dang, there's just so much bait. It is really hard to get this presentation. It's all about presentation. Come on, baby, hit it. Hit it. Yeah, oh, it hit it. Hit it, got it, got it. Oh yeah, come on, got him. Oh, he let go, he let go. He let go, I had him. Dang, he kicked it off him. He kicked it off his own lip. That was a small tarpon. Come on, hit it. Hit it. Man, I had him on for a second. Crazy. His tail hit the line, and it pushed the hooks right out. Man, I had a hook up too. That was crazy. There you go, something's tailing it. Come on, baby. God, there's stuff crushing bait all around me. Oh, I got hooked up. Come on. Oh, he got off. That was like a ladyfish, I think. Looked like a ladyfish. That's 2. Almost hookups. Come on. Oh, I know the spot now. Whew, right there. God, man. I tell you, these bugs make you work for it. Yeah, there we go. Got him. Come on. We got something on. Here we go. Oh, we got ourselves a snook. Yeah. We got ourselves a snook. We did it. See, put your rod in there. Set it down for a second. All right. Definitely gonna need some pliers. You gotta watch these trebles. There we go. Hook is released. There we go, guys. Early morning snook. Right there. Early morning. We'll get them back. There it is. Woo! What do you think you're gonna catch today?
Maybe
Talk
a
loud.
mangrove, a snapper if I'm gonna use shrimp, a redfish, and maybe a jack.
So a mangrove, a redfish, and a jack.
Yep.
That's what you think you're gonna catch today?
Yep.
Yep, calling your shots? All right, here, pound it, man. Let's get ready. Let's go. I'm here with Captain Adam Morley and his family. This is Janine.
Hi.
This is Elon. And the mission is to catch redfish. And we're gonna use artificials. But if we see a tarpon, we're gonna try to get a tarpon too. Elon just saw one rolling. Where was it rolling?
Right over there.
It was rolling right over there. Guys, these guys own Genung's Fish Camp. If you don't already know that, this is for all you new subscribers. If you don't already know that, check out Genung's Fish Camp. It's at 291 Cubbage Road. I memorized that. 291 Cubbage Road here in Crescent Beach, Florida. And it is August. We are going after redfish. So if you don't know what redfish are, it's the red drum. And Elon said he's gonna catch the most out of everybody. Okay, let's do it. Let's hit it. Got a zinger, wake and a zinger. He's going, he's on. Yeah, baby. Elon's calling Jack. It's definitely a redfish. It's a slot fish. There we go. Clipped him. Got it. Oh, we got the camera wet. There we go. Little guy. And he's back, ladies and gentlemen. Yes.
16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 21.
22. Right?
Sure. 21 and a half.
There you go. Oh, he's on again.
This is how we do it.
Dance singing. Adam's on again, ladies and gentlemen. On the fish bites. The counterpunch. Nice, dude. Nice.
Oop, there it is.
Whoa, that is. Yeah. That might be another slot fish. Definitely like a 18. What do you think?
The fish hooked out of one.
Turn on.
I heard that zing. He's on again. This is fish number 5.
Small. Or doesn't really know he's.
He bit it like he was big. That's another slot. Well, might be right at 18. We'll see. There you go. All right, 4-0. Adam is just out fishing us
5.
today. Oh, sorry, 5. My bad.
Get those numbers.
3-0. He's about to lose it before you measure it.
He's short.
He is short.
Yeah.
He's 17.
17.
All right, there you go.
You hit with attitude.
All on the same lure, pretty much.
Yep.
Nice job, man. Fish number 5. 5 reds to nothing. I gotta get off this camera.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, Janine's on. There we go. Coming underneath you. Where's your line? Come on, Janine. Janine's on.
What you got? Is it good?
No, but I'll take it.
Genung's Janine is on. What do you think it is?
Red.
Marlin?
Mangrove.
Mangrove?
Mangrove?
Started with an M. All right.
Yeah, 100% not a mangrove. Let's pull and drag. No, quick.
Hey, Elon, will you reel this in for me?
Sure.
Just reel it.
See if you found it. Oh, a jack!
Oh, there's the jack you were trying to catch.
Nice. All right.
All right. And that was on shrimp, right?
Yes, on shrimp.
All right, nicely done. Oh, count. Yeah, I suck at counting, man, when it comes to fish. Well, yeah, I think we caught like 8. No, you caught 1. Dang. My vibe's not right. I'm like, I gotta get my vibe right. Got 1 keeper fish. That's going to Sam here at Genung. She wanted us to bring her back a fish, so we did. There it is. That's gonna be dinner. All right. Thanks for coming on the adventure with us. Say bye, Elon. Say bye to everybody. All right, Captain Adam Morley for the win. 6-0. Adam beat me, guys. 6-0 on this trip. He's a winner. We're a winner. We're all winners here. You guys make sure you subscribe for more fishing content like this. All you original guys who've been following me for a long time on this channel, thank you for your support. Thanks for sharing. Thanks for all those things. I got a bunch more stuff coming up. We got a surf fishing is about to majorly pick up. We got the Shoreline Showdown with fish bites. We're going to be in Melbourne coming up pretty soon, and we're going to do a lot of competitive fishing. We got the Sinker Guy episode with him coming up, and Captain B, surf fishing charters, he's coming up here, so we're gonna have that episode coming up as well. So thanks for subscribing. You guys keep it reeling. We'll see you next time.
Hey, how are you? Nice to see you. Good, thank you. And
Sail away.